Welcome, my name is Dan from Cincy Auctions, and here we have a Model 50, a 1936 Golden Eagle. I'm not sure if it's a 2, but it kind of looks like one. Check her out. The gold plating, or whatever it is, paint, is kind of wore off, and you can see the copper coating on the gun itself. But in working order, it cocks real strong and shoots real strong, so nice gun. Hope you like it. Check out our other items. You can see this full screen on YouTube, so check her out. And our username is always Cincy Auctions. We thank you for stopping by and checking out one of our lovely items. We have many to choose from, and we're eBay seller Cincy Auctions. You can check us out there too. We appreciate you stopping by.